Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We all know that this one is called mud, but we don't know the actual reason why there is a mud. So in today's video, we are going to discuss what is a mud and what are the types of mud. So the first type of mud is called madde asli, means to say that the original mud. So, six long signs. We all know that standing fatha, standing kasra, inverted dhamma, alif madda. Alif madda is called when there is a fatha before alif. Waw madda. Waw madda is called when there is a dhamma before the waw silent. And ya madda. Ya madda is called when there is a kasra before ya. So standing fatha, standing kasra, inverted dhamma, alif madda, waw madda, ya madda. These are called long sign and also we call them madde asli. The second type of mad is called madde far'i. What is madde far'i? So these six long signs, when we stretch them more longer, like this one is alif madda, we are stretching it more longer, like 5 seconds long. So these six long signs, when we stretch them more longer, so that is called madde fari. Now madde fari has two types, madde muttasil and madde munfasil. First, we will try to understand that what is madde muttasil. This is called madde muttasil. Okay. After six long signs like standing fatha, standing kasra, alif madda, waw madda, and ya madda, when there is a hamza, after six long sign, when there is a sukoon or jazm, and after six long sign, when there is a tashdid or shad. So the shad, the tashdid, jazm, or the hamza must be in the same kalima. So we will stretch these six long signs more longer, like 5 seconds long. So that is called maddi muttasil. Like you can see that this one is alif madda because there is a fatha before alif. So after alif madda there is a hamza. So when we see a hamza after alif madda, waw madda, ya madda, standing fatha, standing kasra, inverted dhamma. So we stretch these six long signs 5 seconds longer, but the hamza must be in the same word. Okay. Same here, this is ya madda, and after ya madda there is hamza, and hamza is in the same word. So we will stretch this ya madda 5 seconds longer. Now this is standing fatha. Standing fatha is a long sign, and there is sukoon after the long sign. So we will stretch this one 5 seconds long. Same here. After a standing fatha, there is a tashdid. So what we will do? We will stretch this standing fatha 5 seconds longer. How we will read this one? This one we will read ja a ji a. Now a al a na wala tahaduna. Okay. This is called Madde Muttasil. Now the second type of Madde Fari is called Madde Munfasil. What is Madde Munfasil? After six long sign, when there is a Hamza, we know that if there is a sign above or under the Alif, so we will call it Hamza. When there is a Hamza, but Hamza is in the next word, then we will read it 3 seconds long. Like Bani, this is Ya Madda. and Adama. Adama is in the second word, Bani is the first word. There is Hamza after long sign, and Hamza is in the next word. So this is called Maddi Munfasil. Now moving to the Quran and try to understand why there are mad. This is Alif Madda, and Alif Mad after Alif Madda there is a Hamza. Hamza is in the same word, so we will read it like Ma Uha. Like this is Mad. Mad is because of Hamza, because Hamza is in the same word. This is the type of Maddi Fari called Maddi Muttasil. Same here, this one is a Maddi Muttasil because after the Alif Madda there is Hamza. Same here, after the Alif Madda there is Hamza. So the next type of Mad, which we call Maddi Munfasil. So this one you can see that this one. This one is Alif Madda, and after Alif Madda there is a Hamza. But Hamza is in the next word. So we will call it Maddi Munfasil. I hope you understand this one. Now there is one more thing to understand. Like we know that this one is a stop. And at the time of stop we change Fatha into Sukun. This one is Ya Madda, and after Ya Madda when there is a Sukun, so we will read it like a mad. So we won't read it like Iblis. We won't read it like Ya Madda. We will read it like a mad. Iblis. I hope you got it. Secondly, this one. This one is Alif Madda. After Alif Madda, there is Ba, but there is Fatha at the time of stop, so we will change it into Sukun. So we will read it like Azab. This one you can see that there is Waw Madda, and after Waw Madda, this one is Fatha, and we know that at the time of stop, we change Fatha into Sukun. So we will read it like Tahtadun. Like we will change it into Mad. Same here. Ta'lamun. Longer because of Sukun. Takfurun. Same here. There is Kasra, but Kasra we also change into Jazm. I hope you understand the Mad. If you like this video, please do subscribe and follow us on Facebook also. I hope you got everything. If you have any kind of question, you can let us know in the comment section. Wait for the next video. Till that time, take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.